para makita nila sa Germany na mayroong fancy place, vanilla cupcakes, country style.
Yan yung akin yung alam mo nung birthday mo.
Luwag pa kayo.
Yeah, a family is a family. So, I want to do this, and I love everybody. I'm sending them my love, my concern, and thank you, Lord, for giving me these blessings, all the graces, the good health, and sharing what you have given me, sharing it to everybody, especially to you, Mother Alicia. Oh, happy birthday sa'yo ang
Hello! Happy birthday to you! May you have many more birthdays to come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kanin ba? May kanin ba? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Baby! And many more birthdays to come. Good health.
Happy birthday! I hope you have many more birthdays to come in, and someday we will have dinner again.
Kala ko yun have another boyfriend.
Hello. Hi, Ate Babe. Happy birthday. As usual. Dinner again.
Greet mo yung mga anak mo sa Merta.
Hello, Loren, lala ka mo.
Hi lang. Makain kami, Loren. Regards to Curtis and Bob.
Hello, happy birthday, Ate Baby. We have many more birthdays to come. Lala Loren, kain tayo. Kain, Leilani and Bob, and LJ, and JR, Loren, Macho, and Curtis. Regards and happy birthday today, Ate Baby.
Happy birthday to you! Kain na! Dami-dami na!
Happy birthday and more blessing to come. Paglingayin family. Especially to Ate Flora. Happy birthday. Tuloy ko na, kakain na ako.
Happy birthday, my sister-in-law. Ang best gift lang namin sa'yo ay love and care.
Yeah. Sharing.
And hi, Germany.
Hello.
Bigyan din. Happy birthday.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything, ha?
Hi, Ma'am! Happy birthday! More age to come. Stay beautiful and young.
Wow!
Okay?
Ayun!
Ma'am, araw-araw kitang hihilutin. Happy birthday!
Araw-araw kang tatanim.
Ano na? Para nagpapalit ka ng apelido mo, ano na? Nagpa-convert ka na ng ano?
Araw-araw masabi. Yeah.
Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and wish you good health.
Thank you. I really need good health.
Happy birthday, Ate Baby. I'm so happy, and actually we're so happy na mabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng bonding with you.
Tama.
Ngayon lang nangyayari to, and talagang happy kami. And
looking forward sa mga darating pang mga get-together natin. Happy birthday and God bless and take care. Good health, syempre.
Thank you, Grace.
Nakakain na kami. Starbucks na Happy birthday. What's your birthday wish?
My birthday wish, good health, good health. What else? Travel. And what else? Happiness, peace, love, peace of mind.